large telescope?
No, this is the ELT, extremely large telescope.
It's bigger.
Yes,
bigger?
very, very large. Yeah, do you want to have a look at this?
Yeah, I know. Yeah,
You saw already?
yeah, we saw.
What's the other one?
Okay. This is
ELT, very large telescope. So this exists already. This is the angel. This is the extremely large.
when it will be born in what year?
2023.
Wow.
So
Very.
this is the primary mirror. It's 40 meters.
It's the biggest mirror in the world, no?
Yeah, but it's not one mirror. You can see it's made of lots of little pieces.
Yeah, yeah. It's those are three
That's
pieces.
3 and we need 800. Yeah. So this structure here, the yellow.
Это всего лишь это кусочек.
The yellow here, the yellow this thing. The purpose.
Yeah.
You can see further into the universe, further back. You can connect to one light. From a very
Собирает
narrow
больше
point.
света.
Okay.
А спроси о бюджете.
How much was that telescope?
1 billion euro.
1 миллиард евро. Больше, чем твоя жизнь.